drop over here. That one's gonna take you a sec.
I saw stars.
Yeah.
I felt it in my teeth. Like everywhere.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I figured I was gonna be really stuck because you just went 2 weeks and couldn't. Over here, your hat's probably up. There we go.
Oh man.
Let's go on your back. Once you can. Take your time.
That's like I said, I felt everything. The stars, the
You
whole
get zingers.
Oh
on the
yeah,
arms.
that was woo.
That's gonna go too. So what I want you to do is take your hands and interlock your fingers right on your belly. There you go.
Oh!
You're gonna get real warm feeling, and then it'll calm right back down. Sometimes it'll be like hot sweat.